Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, what happened? So welcome to day 7, a tourist guide challenge, where I will be traveling in days and editing in night. गुड मर्निङ, इट्स डे 7 अनि अब आज हामी यो ठाउँमा कहिले फोकस हुन्न क्या, सो म फोकस गर्छु पहिला अघि। सो आज हामी जाँदैछौँ हात्ती सफारीको लागि। अहिले चाहिँ बिहानको 8 बज्न लागिसक्यो। म अलि अनिन्द्रो भइरहेको छु क्या, हुन्छ नि निन्द्रा नपुगेको टाइप भइरहेको छु दिस डेज बिकज अफ खतरा हुन्छ नि, इडिट हानिरहेर के बोलिरहेको छु कि म।
This is not dark colours.
What?
This is not dark colours.
Which color?
You're supposed to wear dark colours.
Why?
Ask. Don't want to scare the animals.
के हुन्छ भाइ?
ट्री लाइन भएपछि जनावरहरूले चाहिँ तपाईँले देख्छ, तर्सिन्छ, अब वाक गर्दा त हान्न पनि सक्छ होइन, त्यही भएर।
ए हो र? चेन्ज गरेर आऊँ त?
बेटर
हो र? I will go and change.
Leave your camera here and run.
के लेखा छ यहाँ?
नोटिस
के छ दाइ? प्लिज वेट। ओ माई गड। सो चेन्ज गरिसकेँ मैले, एज पर द रुल अफ चितवन नेसनल पार्क। अहिले झन् पुरै ब्ल्याक लाइट, अब त मलाई कसैले देख्दैन होला यार। आई थिङ्क आइ एम लेट। म लास्ट जहिले लेट गर्छु, मेरो बानी लास्ट नराम्रो छ यार, सब रिसर्च हेर्नु पर्छ त्यही भएर। ओके दाइ, आज हामी कहाँ जाँदैछौँ, के हुँदैछ हल्का ब्रिफ गरिदिनु न।
एलिफेन्ट सफारी गर्न जाँदैछौँ होइन। हो हामी छिट्टै पुग्दैछौँ। सफारी चाहिँ 1.5 घन्टासम्मको हुन्छ अनि बाघ देख्ने धेरै चान्सेस पनि छ।
हो र? आज बाघ देख्ने चान्सेस छ?
चान्सेस छ, अहिले देखिरहेको छ। अहिले दिनुभयो
ल मा।
अनि बाटोमा त गैँडाहरू गोहीहरू त देखिहाल्नुहुन्छ।
Yeah, welcome buddy.
Mucky man.
Monkey man? How you know my name?
Because you told us. You told us. You told me in a WhatsApp.
When I told you I'm Monkey man.
Well, you told Gail and Gail told me. I told everybody.
Really?
Yep.
My name?
Your name's Mucky Man. We're going to call you Mucky Man from now on.
Okay.
Good morning. How are you?
This is sugarcane for elephant.
Feed the elephant. Elephant
Breakfast
food.
for elephant. This is.
Elephant like food.
Yeah, you can feed your elephant with your.
You
What?
said it's like a taxi van. They're all lined up to pick you up.
Gail is saying taxi to elephant. Oh! What the fuck? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh.
दाइ के गर्दैन नि है? Oh. Oh! I'm so scared यार। दाइ के गर्दैन नि है? ए बित्या नाइस यार, खतरा हुँदो रहेछ यार। दाइ कहाँ छोड्नु सक्छ भन्नुभयो अरे?
फर्किँदाखेरि हामीले लाग्न सक्छ, उब्रिन सक्छ, चिप्ने खुट्टामाथि झार्नु।
Girl, taxi is more comfortable.
Yeah, taxi's all good.
Yeah.
Good morning, driver. How are you? Namaste.
Namaste, Dai. Oh, Maki, oh, what's the name of the song, Glenda?
Heidi.
Heidi?
Yeah, you want me to sing it?
Yeah, of course.
Okay. Heidi, Heidi, ho, the great big elephant is so slow. He moves his trunk from side to side and takes the children for a ride.
Wow! Clap everybody for Gil.
Everybody's so impressed with my singing.
Yeah. Actually, just the elephant farted. दाइ यो हात्तीले के अरे पाद्यो नि गनाउँदो रहेछ है। And it smells so bad, you know.
Oh, it's not that bad.
I think you didn't smell that.
Oh, I smell it.
Really?
Yeah, I smell it. He's a sook. Don't worry about him.
It's still better than people's.
Yes.
Humans, yeah. Mine. It's still better than mine.
We hope we don't have to compare.
We just saw five or four? Four, right? We just saw 4 rhino just now. We're so lucky. एट लास्ट चाहिँ गाडी ब्याक गरे जस्तै टक्क यसरी ब्याक गरेर चार्नु पर्दो रहेछ अनि त गाडी ब्याक गरे जस्तै त हो So this is the parking of elephant, right?
Yep.
He parked there and we'll get up. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. What happened?
Oh, they want to play.
What happened, guys?
They want to play.
Really? Woo! Take it, buddy. Oh my god. Oh my. What you just said, uncle? Uncle, guys, I felt so bad today.
Why?
Some kids told me uncle.
There was what?
I think I should cut my beard.
Oh, that's what we call it.
Uncle.
Yeah, they told me uncle.
Uncle Samir.
They should have told me brother, but do I look like uncle?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
I think I should cut my beard here.
So you enjoyed the elephant?
Yeah.
It was wonderful. Yeah, love it.
Yeah.
Love it.
At first, I felt a little bit uncomfortable. But
Yeah, I know.
it's okay.
A little bit insecure.
Yeah,
like
yeah.
it's a long way up.
But yeah, that's the part of the
But
journey.
you just relax
Yeah.
and have faith in the what do you call them? In the handlers of the elephant, and everything's good. Yeah. Yeah, wonderful. I love that. I was a bit worried when we were crossing the river because did you see the crocodiles?
Yeah, I saw
And we said to the handler, what's going to happen if they eat the crocodile? If they eat the elephant? He goes, oh no, too big. The elephant's too big.
Enjoy?
Oh, love that.
Okay.
Some little kid told me uncle.
Oh, little kid, no problem. Little kid.
No, that's the problem.
Little kid.
How can
Ah.
how can this little kid be uncle? Guys, follow uncle.
Follow uncle. You'll have to trim your beard or something.
Yeah.
Makes you look older.
Yeah.
Oh, you have to film it all.
Yeah.
Every time you turn around, they've got a camera in your face.
I really want to sleep, take a nap.
You can take a nap, my friend.
Yeah.
You don't have to come for coffee.
I'm not surprised. What time did you go to bed last night?
What?
What time did you go to bed? Last night.
Around 1.
One?
And I wake up at 4 and I finish the video.
At 4?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, well, you do need a nap.
Yeah.
Yeah, you need a nap.
I'll take a nap.
Yeah, good on you. Do you want me to get anything for you?
No. 1 hour later. Yes, I don't have the overlay. कति भन्नु यार यही कुरा म उठेँ त्यसपछि टक्क एक सावर हाने अनि के उठ्यो भन्नु यार सुतेकै छैन खासमा निन्द्रै लागेन यार हिजो रातिसम्म एडिट गरेँ बिहान उठेर फेरि एडिट गरेँ अनि दिउँसोमा कहिलेकाहीँ खासै निन्द्रै लाग्दैन क्या मलाई अनि त्यही भएर मजाले सुत्न त सुतेन तर एकछिन जति सुतेँ अनि उठेँ त्यसपछि अहिले चाहिँ 3 जस्तो बजिरहेछ अनि अब चाहिँ हामी जाँदैछौँ क्यानोइङ गर्न क्यानोइङ अनि त्यसपछि त्यही हो द्याट इज द स्टोरी बिहाइन्ड इट यु गाइज डोन्ट लाइक बियर्ड
No, we don't like beards.
बट वाट आई हर्ड वाज लाइक गर्ल्स लाइक बियर्ड द्याट्स वाइ आई एम किपिङ दिस
So
बियर्ड
you want a girl?
नो आई डोन्ट वान्ट गर्ल एक्चुअली आई डोन्ट वान्ट गर्ल्स
You don't want girls.
आई एम डन विथ द गर्ल्स
You want the boys?
No, not
23-year-old and you're already done
With
with
the girls.
girls. Goodness gracious to me.
You're a funny boy.
Yeah, I am. So you are watching yesterday's vlog. We had a really good conversation, right? Yeah.
Yeah. Very good conversation.
Yeah.
How long? It will be about an hour.
That sounds good.
Yeah.
1 hour?
About.
Really?
Yes.
bit longer?
Longer than that.
That sounds good.
Samir's got a new nickname because the young kids at the elephant ride called him Uncle.
So what's my
Because
new
he's got a
nickname?
beard and he looks old.
So what's my new nickname?
Uncle!
Oh my god. So I'm uncle then.
You can call him Mucky Uncle.
So this is another place for canoeing. It's pronounced like canoeing, right?
Canoe.
Canoe?
Canoe. Canoeing.
Canoeing. Okay. So this is the place for canoeing. दाइ यहाँ कसले राइड गर्ने हो त कोही हुनुहुन्न त
बोटमा आउँछ
यो खासै चल्या छैन क्या है यो ठाउँ चाहिँ मतलब उता जस्तो
चल्छ एकदम यो पनि
हो र
यसमा त झन् सिटै पाउँदैन
हो यो किन
हामी
ब्रेक
मिटिङमा थियो आज
किन खाली छ त
मान्छे आउँदै होला
ए ओके
दुवै साइडमा जङ्गल छ होइन
हजुर
अनि जनावरहरू पनि तपाईँ भेट्न सक्छ कि
ए ओके
क्रस गरिरहेको हुन्छ कोही कोही गैँडा पनि पानीमा बसिरहेको हुन्छ
यो ठाउँ चाहिँ मलाई चाहिँ अति उलायो यार पिस के अब
पिसै हो यो ठाउँ
हिजो अस्ति गरे भने त राम्रो रहेछ है
त्यो
अस्ति होइन हिजो
त्यहाँ बाटोमा अहिले भेट्छ एउटा पुरानो रिजोर्ट
रिजर्ट पनि भेट्छ
गैँडा वाइल्ड लाइफ क्याम्प पहिला पुरानो
ए ओके
त्यही बाटोबाट जान्छ राम्रो छ
नाइस सही हो यार कस्तो आनन्दको ठाउँ के अब वाओ लेट्स स्लिप इन दिस ब्युटिफुल बेड ओके नेचर्स बेड सो आज पनि ब्याकग्राउन्डमा त्यही म्युजिक बजिरहेछ होला किनकि आई कान्ट हुन्छ नि त्यो आई कान्ट सर्च आई डोन्ट हेभ टाइम टु सर्च फर द म्युजिक के यसमा हो है लेट्स गो गाइज I'll ask you a question. You have to give answer. Okay?
Maybe.
So what is peace for you?
Peace.
Yeah, for you.
Exactly what we're in now at the moment. Samir.
Yeah.
It's quiet. It's relaxing. A little bit hot, but that's okay. Just no sound. No traffic sounds. No noisy music. It's just really peaceful. Just gliding along the river. Be nice to see some crocodiles, but if we don't, that doesn't matter. It's just so peaceful and quiet. What's peace for you? What's serenity for you,
Yeah,
Samir?
that's the same definition you told just now. So this is what peace is for me.
Hi boys.
Hi boys. Only 2 or 3 peoples around us, right? So how can I tell you guys how peaceful this place is? So I'll do a thing. I will not use any music in this particular sequence so that we can listen only the sound around here. And just listen the sound of gale moving.
Sorry. Upset the ambience.
Just listen the sound of water. Just listen the sound of bird. Just listen the sound of more water. Yeah. What?
The boat's going over rock.
Yeah. And just look at the sound of boat going through the stone and guys, can you tell me more sounds happening here? What? Birds? Yeah, I already told birds. What?
Samir's voice.
Yeah, Samir as well. The person who always talks, yeah.
Oh, it's a dart. Darter. I don't care about them. Stuck in the sand again.
Guys, do you think like music have no barrier to any language, right? Like I can sing, you can sing. That is the most important thing about music. Yeah. I really enjoyed today. Yeah. Yeah. Sitting with you guys and singing these songs is so important for me. Like I got the vibes. I got the vibes. I'll play it again.
Take my hand.
I can't sing.
Unfortunately, I was.
Falling in love. Wow. I can sing. I can sing. Landa, do lip singing. You can't. I can't. When you guys play Australian song, I can't. Look, that is revenge. So the film is about there is a saying, तुम जहाँ हो वहीं का मजा लेना चाहिए. That means wherever you are, you should be happy at that place.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So if you are at this place and something is missing at hotel, then we should not like think about that. We should enjoy at this moment. Yeah.
Enjoy the moment.
Yeah. And the movie is all about that.
Yeah.
So that's why this is my all-time favorite movie.
Yeah, I like it.
The movie's name is Chitwan Divani. You guys should watch it.
Send us a link.
Okay, I'll send
Is
you
it
the link.
YouTube?
Yes, Chitwan Divani is in YouTube also. Yeah.
Send us a link.
Yeah,
because
okay,
then we will find it easy.
Okay. So that's the end of the day. That's the end of the vlog. That's the end of the memories. That's the end of the song. That's the end. Landa, say bye bye to my vlog.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.